Hello everyone, this is Vincent Martone of MarineMax Clearwater. Today I'm going to take you through the 2020 Aviara 32 luxury day boat. Starting back here we have the twin joystick piloted Mercury 350s. Then we have the transom seating on these boats. This is something that no other boat manufacturer on the market is doing. Stadium style seating that forms to a normal sun pad. As you walk into the very spacious cockpit of the boat, you'll notice seating all around for everyone. Tons of features on this boat. Take a look right here. A nice little wet bar with champagne chillers on the side. Cockpit refrigerator. Nice size cooler. Digital display. You have your Murphy gauges, your Garmin GPS, and your Simrad vessel view, joystick piloting. Look at the size of that head compartment. Just amazing use of space. Very deep boat. Nice bow sunshade, bow filler cushion. Take a look at that hard top. That hard top has clip mounted speakers, rear facing. Two dedicated trash cans. One of them is right here. If you'd like to take a look at this boat or any of our other boats, you can visit me at www.marinemax.com. You can call the store at 727-536-BOAT, or you can give me a call on my personal cell, 803-760-0609. Thank you for joining me.